We got a sense from the educators that the industry just isn't doing enough to support students to bridge that skills gap. We also got a sense that for some studios, education is not providing the talent the business needs. And there are challenges facing both sides as to why this situation persists.
All of these things have massively exposed already existing challenges in being able to deliver up-to-date job skills.
How to work with other people and how to communicate and how to share your ideas as a designer or a developer or a programmer.
We have not seen any particular slowdown at all when it comes to people recruiting graduates.
Students coming out with Unity and Unreal is great and super useful.
And the ones that emulate an actual studio environment and do it on a microcosmic way, that's the best.
So it's proof that we can put level 3 in industry and it works.
We managed in 2 weeks to use Discord for green room meetings with industry folks. We had a virtual gallery set up for student work, so you could run it in a game engine, walk around and look at their work firsthand.
And to be able to have time off schedule to go out and share their expertise and knowledge and reignite their passion. They're our CA ambassadors. We've got more than 100 in the studio now.
This year we had final year students who were on internships who remained where they were and completed the final year of their degree with us at the same time, where all of their final year projects, everything was aligned to what they were actually doing in the studios.
Having those students' voices they were so articulate and so insightful and so serious young people who were very serious about play and games, and it was really lovely to hear their voices.
I felt like part of the team pretty much straight away. It was really nice. Everyone was, quite accepting.
Can we look at reassessing the entire methodology of teaching?
And if we don't name what we're actually trying to tackle, then we can't find solutions.
So now's the time for us to all talk to each other, speak to industry, speak to education, recognise what we all want, because we all want the same thing. We all want to see changes. We want to see different people in our industry, because, we can change the world a little bit at a time.